Namaste and welcome back everyone. Now that we have learned the first equation, let's explore the second equation of motion. So what Newton actually left for us? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Don't confuse with S here means displacement. So displacement is equal to initial velocity times time plus 1 by 2 acceleration multiplied time square. So this is the second equation of motion. As you can clearly see that the difference between the first equation and second equation is fundamentally the two things. First one is about the final velocity and the second one is actually about the displacement. So these are the two variations. Now let's solve a problem for this. Assume that a stone is falling with 5 meter per second for next 1 second. So with a gravitational acceleration of 10 meter per second square. For assumption, we took 10 meter per second square. Now let's solve this problem. S is equal to ut plus half at square. So S is unknown here, which is displacement, is equal to u is 5, t is 1, that means 5 plus half, a is 10 here and t is 1 here, so 1 squared is 1. Now the final sum is like this: 5 plus 5, so the total distance that the stone covered is actually 10 meter. So this way we can figure out how the distance we can get in the cases of the acceleration. Okay, so this is all about the second equation of motion. Now what is its derivation and how it actually comes? So second equation of motion is simply to understand the distance or the displacement thing. So how do you determine the displacement or distance? It comes from the average velocity. So average velocity times time is displacement. So we are going to derive this in the next one.